Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today. Today on Friday. Yes, it's Friday, June the 9th, 2023. We have here two regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the Sudoku Light and the Heavy Sudoku. In this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the Sudoku with 0 stars, Sudoku with 1 star, Sudoku with 4 stars, 2 tectonics, 1 with 4 stars, and 1 with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. And this one is a binary puzzle. In these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only 4 of them I will solve in the evening. But first, let me start with the Sudoku Light. By the way, what's the news of today? Well, incredible news today. As you know, there was a plane crash in Colombia in the jungle. And 40 days ago, and the survivors are 4 children. 4 children are missing in the jungle, and they survived because the rescuers, found them. 40 days. After 40 days, 4 children's. After the plane crash, 40 days. All right. 6564. That's the number of this puzzle. 6564. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 33, I believe. 33 or 42. 33, I believe. Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 33. Wow. A lot. Should be easier than a 1 star. Should be faster than 50 minutes if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars in the additional. Well, we'll see. So let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. The 4 in this column, the 4 in the middle column, so the column next to only place left for the 4. It should be there. Then 4 and the 7 are missing. In the last row, 2 missing numbers. 3 missing numbers, but 2 of those are the 4 and the 7. We have a 4 and a 7 in this big square, so no 4 and a 7 in this box. 4 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as pair. 4 and a 7, 4 and the 7. So 1 number left in the last row for number. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4 and the 7, the 5. 6 is missing. This should be a 6. Alright. 6 in the last 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6, 6, okay. Well. 7. Here, we have 8, 6, 6. 2 is missing. Well. 5 in this column. 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Let me see. 1, 8, 7. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the middle column, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. And we have a 7 in that this row, so no 7 in that box. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 1 and 8. Okay, so here we have 2 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. So we have 8 in this column, 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8, 8. That means we need an 8 here. Yeah. In the middle row, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this column, so no 8 in this box. Here an 8 in that column, so no 8 in that box. So the 8 could be here, could be there in the middle row. Here or there, we see another 8 in the third column. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this middle row. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So the last column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Then. Well. In this third column, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a number 5. We have a 5. We have a 5 in this row, third row, so no 5 there. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 there. So the 5 in the third column could be here, could be there, here or there. We see another 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. All right. Okay, then. 2 missing numbers in this column. For numbers, 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 9 goes there. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the first row. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright, 1 box left in this big square for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. So we have a pair, the 7 and the 5 in this row, the 7 and the 5 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 7 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. So the other pair in this big square, the numbers 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 box left in the third row for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. So we have a 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Then. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in the last column, 6 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 1 box left in this column, third column for number 1. 1 and 8, we have a 1 now in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. So we have a 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 1 box left in the last column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Yeah. Well, then. Let me see. 9 and the 4. Come on. 4 and the 7. Well, 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9. Oh, well, we have a 9 in the first row. So no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 7 and 5, we have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in the first column for number 1. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 1 minus the 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 9 in the last row, 9 in that row. So the row between. The only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 1 minus the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4, 9, 4, 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 1 minus the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. The final 2 numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 7 in this row. The last row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Told you, need to be faster than 50 minutes. And we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later in a minute with other puzzles. Well, 1 puzzle left. Sudoku heavy. Until then, bye bye for now.